2023 US quarter dollar coin. Today, we are breaking down everything you need to know about the 2023 US quarter dollar series. We're looking at the designs, the low mintage figures, and the rare errors that you can find right now in your spare change. 2023 was the second year of the American Women Quarters program. This 4-year series is celebrating the accomplishments and contributions made by women to the United States. Now, the D you see on these coins stands for the Denver Mint. Denver is known for having slightly different strike qualities than Philadelphia, and in 2023, they produced some of the most sought-after errors of the year. Before we get to the reverses, let's look at the front. You'll notice Washington looks different than he did on the state quarters or the America the Beautiful series. This is the Laura Garden Fraser design. It was originally intended for the 1932 quarter but was passed over for decades. Look at Washington's nose. There is a common die chip error known as the pimple nose Washington. If you see a small raised blob of metal right on the tip of his nose, you've found a keeper. Approximate. 317.2 million. First African American and Native American woman pilot. What to look for? Look at the airplane wing. Collectors have found die chips that look like extra rivets or mintage. Approximate 368.6 million. Indigenous Hawaiian composer and custodian of native culture, the big error. Look for the "in God we trust" error. This happens when a die gets filled with grease, making the G in God look like a C. Mintage. Approximate 271.8 million. Champion of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. What to look for? Look for doubling on her face or the scales of justice. Why it's special? This is the lowest mintage of the 2023 circulation quarters. The value. Because there are fewer of these, high-grade Denver examples are selling fast. An NGC-MS 69 2023 D Jovita Idar recently sold for a staggering $645. America's first prima ballerina, the extra feather error. This is the big one for Denver. On the reverse, where Maria is wearing her traditional Osage headdress, look for a small raised line of metal that looks like an extra feather. In high grades, these can fetch $50 to $100. If you're going through a roll of 2023 D quarters, here are the 3 things that should make you stop. The "in God we trust," a classic grease strike error. It's funny, it's rare, and collectors love it. The Maria Tallchief extra feather. Check the headdress, die clashes. Look at the Edith Konakali quarter. Some Denver strikes show ghosting from Washington's profile on the reverse side. This is called a die clash, and it can be worth hundreds. Now, don't get discouraged if your quarter is only worth 25 cents. Most coins found in change are circulated. To hit those $500 plus prices, the coin needs to be in mint state, MS. But if you find a 2023 D quarter that looks like a mirror, no scratches, no bag marks, put it in a protective sleeve immediately. That could be your ticket to a high-grade auction win. The 2023 D quarter series is a perfect example of why you should always look at your change. From Jovita Idar's low mintage to the Maria Tallchief errors, there is money to be made if you have a sharp eye. Go check your jar of change right now. Do you have a pimple nose Washington or a Maria Tallchief with an extra feather? Let me know in the comments what you found, and if you want to see our guide on the 2024 quarters, click the video on the screen right now. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more coin hunting tips. Happy hunting!